What if I told you that something most people throw away every day could become the foundation of a highly profitable manufacturing business? Every year, billions of waste tires are discarded worldwide, creating one of the biggest environmental challenges. But smart entrepreneurs see something different. They see raw material. Today, I'll show you how waste tires are transformed into Crumb Rubber Powder, a product used in roads, sports infrastructure, construction, automobiles, and countless industrial applications. Demand is rising rapidly. Government policies are encouraging tire recycling, and entrepreneurs entering this industry today could benefit from one of the fastest growing segments of the circular economy. Crumb Rubber Powder is a finely processed rubber material produced by recycling end-of-life tires. During manufacturing, waste tires are collected, cleaned, shredded, steel and textile fibers are removed, and the rubber is ground into fine powder of different mesh sizes. Instead of ending up in landfills or being burned, discarded tires are converted into a valuable industrial raw material. This process supports sustainable manufacturing, reduces environmental pollution, conserves natural resources, and creates significant economic value. As industries worldwide increasingly adopt circular economy practices, Crumb Rubber Powder has become an essential recycled material with expanding commercial applications. The global crumb rubber market is experiencing strong growth due to increasing investments in sustainable infrastructure, road construction, and rubber recycling. Industry reports estimate the global market is valued at several $1 billion and is expected to grow at healthy CAGR through 2030 to 2035. India generates millions of waste tires annually, yet a large portion remains underutilized. With rapid highway construction, smart city development, sports infrastructure expansion, and increasing environmental regulations, domestic demand for recycled rubber products continues to rise. Key demand drivers include expansion of road construction using rubberized asphalt, growing sports and playground infrastructure, rising automobile production or construction sector growth, sustainable manufacturing initiatives, circular economy adoption, export demand for recycled rubber materials. Government policies promoting extended producer responsibility, EPR, waste management, and recycling are further strengthening the industry's long-term outlook. One of the biggest advantages of this business is its diversified customer base. Crumb Rubber Powder is widely used in rubberized asphalt and highways, sports tracks, artificial turf or children's playgrounds, rubber flooring, industrial mats, automotive components, new tire manufacturing or footwear industry, construction materials, expansion joints, industrial rubber products, sound insulation materials, vibration control products. This broad range of applications ensures recurring demand from multiple industries rather than dependence on a single market. There are several compelling reasons why entrepreneurs should consider this manufacturing opportunity. First, raw material availability is abundant because waste tires are continuously generated. Second, the business converts low-cost waste into a high-value industrial product. Third, increasing environmental regulations are driving demand for recycled materials. Fourth, the industry supports the circular economy and sustainable manufacturing, making it future-ready. Fifth, India still has significant scope for capacity expansion, creating opportunities for new manufacturers. Additional advantages include growing domestic demand, export potential or import substitution opportunities, scalable manufacturing, multiple end-user industries, long-term business sustainability, supportive government initiatives. Several established companies have demonstrated the commercial success of tire recycling. Leading Indian players include Eldon Recycling Partner Facilities, GRP Limited, and other organized tire recycling companies supplying recycled rubber to domestic and international markets. Globally, companies such as Liberty Tire Recycling, USA, Genon, Denmark, and Scandinavian Enviro Systems have built successful businesses by focusing on advanced recycling technologies, product quality, and strong customer networks. Their success highlights the increasing global demand for recycled rubber products. Entrepreneurs may benefit from several government initiatives, depending on eligibility and location. These include MSME support schemes, Startup India recognition, PMEGP assistance, CGT-MSE collateral-free loan support, state industrial subsidies, capital investment incentives, green manufacturing incentives, export promotion schemes, pollution control approvals for compliant recycling units, benefits arising from EPR and recycling policies. Consult the relevant central and state authorities to determine applicable incentives. Starting a manufacturing plant requires careful planning, technical knowledge, and financial analysis. NPCS provides end-to-end project consultancy, including detailed project report, DPR, techno-economic feasibility report, complete manufacturing process, a plant layout design, machinery selection, raw material sources, financial projections, a cost estimation, a market research, bankable project reports, or business planning, startup guidance, a project consultancy from concept to commissioning. With decades of industrial consulting experience, NPCS helps entrepreneurs make informed investment decisions. Waste tires are no longer just an environmental problem. They are a valuable industrial resource. As demand for sustainable products, recycled materials, and green infrastructure continues to grow, Crumb Rubber Powder manufacturing presents a compelling opportunity for entrepreneurs seeking to enter the recycling and manufacturing sector. Businesses that establish themselves early can benefit from expanding domestic demand, export opportunities, and the global transition towards circular economy practices. If you're planning to start a profitable manufacturing business, now is an excellent time to explore this opportunity. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more manufacturing business opportunities. And if you're serious about setting up a Crumb Rubber Powder manufacturing plant, contact NPCS today for a detailed project report, techno-economic feasibility report, and complete project consultancy to help turn your business idea into reality.